Get excited about the 2010 Toyota Tacoma. With fewer than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this midsize truck stands out in its class as affordable practicality with a stylish twist. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear step bumper, skid plates, and power windows. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.